Daily English. Everyday greetings. Hello. Hi. How are you? I'm fine, thanks. How are you? Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. Good night. Good night. Sleep well. Take care. You too. See you later. Okay, see ya. Goodbye. Goodbye.